6 cards in 8 months. There is no way I should have been able to qualify for a Chase Sapphire Preferred card. 524, busted. Here's how I did it. As those that have been following on my video know, I have been working on repairing my credit for about 8 months. I have 6 credit cards. Rockdale, I acquired about 8 months ago. Navy Federal, about 6 months ago. As well as PCB and Ellen Financial Services. About that same time, I bought a new car from Chase. I was very fortunate. Those credit cards had not had time to hit my report. And also acquired a self loan, Self Inc. So, as you can see on the top part, there is 6 credit cards on my report when Chase ran my report for the Sapphire Preferred. So how did I bust their 524 rule? Well, in order to answer that question, you have to know a little bit more about me. I am a Chase private client customer. Not for long. I've only been there for about 5 months. But I do have a line of credit through Chase, as well as a car note. So I've got an existing relationship with Chase. They know me. When I applied for the Sapphire Preferred card, initially I was declined. However, I called the reconsideration line, and the first person I talked to said, no, there's no way to get a Chase card. You do not qualify. So I asked to speak with the supervisor to be reconsidered and made sure they were aware of my existing relationship with Chase Bank and JP Morgan Chase. Upon ending the call, it was going to be under further review. I contacted my private banker. One of the advantages of having a Chase preferred client status. My banker reached out to the back end, got back with me and said, I don't know if it'll help or not. I waited a few more days, reached back out to the reconsideration line and said, hey, what can we do about getting my card approved? I applied for the Sapphire Preferred. I haven't heard back from you guys and was hoping you could help me out get approved for the preferred card. Now, those guys do have the authority to approve your card. They may, if you're borderline, have to take it up a notch, but that's where it takes being super nice to these guys counts. Anytime you call a reconsideration line, be super nice to them. Hey, is that a dog I hear in the background? You must be working from home. Man, working from home's so nice. We don't have to get out and get in traffic. Just be nice to these people. Over the top. Butter them up. They're the ones that were going to say yes or no to you. Be super nice to them. Over the top nice. This is why. He could have said, I'm sorry, sir, you just don't meet our minimum requirements. We are not able to provide you with a Sapphire Preferred. Yes, I see you're a member of our Chase private client. Yes, I see you have investments. Yes, I see you have a car note that you paid way down ahead of time. But you do not meet requirements. We are not giving you that card. Or, in my case, he said, sir, you know what? It's tight. I don't know if we can get you approved or not. But I do see you have investments with us. I do see that you've got a positive track record over the last 2 years. I do understand why you had all those late payments back in 2018. Everything makes sense. Let me do this for you. Let me reach up above my pay grade and see if I can get this approved for you. If I had not been super nice to him, he did not have to do that. He could have simply said, too bad, so sad. But since I was super nice to him, he was super nice to me. Called me back. Well, I got some good news and some bad news. And he said, well, we got you approved for the Chase Sapphire Preferred, but it's only at $5,000 limit. Hallelujah! Woo! I was happy. That wasn't bad news to me. I was off the rocker happy. He got me approved. $5,000? Now, how did he get that? Well, one, I had 2 credit cards already with a $5,000 limit. That showed I could use credit. I had a almost 0% utilization. Again, that shows I can use credit. I did not max out my cards. I did not have a bunch of recent late payments. In fact, my last late payment was 2 years ago. So I was able to, with 656 credit score, a bunch of late payments on my report, 3 current collections, bust Sapphire 524. There is hope, guys. Don't give up. But you got to be over the top nice with these reconsideration lines. Guys, I'm going to keep this a little bit short. Yes, I was able to bust Chase's 524 rule. It can be done. You got to be over the top nice to the reconsideration line. You got to make them want to bend over backwards to help you. Now, truth be told, this is actually card number 9. So actually, I was at 8 cards in 8 months. Review on the Sapphire Preferred card will be coming out after this one because I haven't had time to finish editing it yet. Review on the Amex Hilton card will be coming out after this one. Again, I have not had time to edit that video. As well as a secret card from Navy Federal. It's not advertised. People don't realize it's out there, but it is. Make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell. Make sure that you get notified when new videos are coming out. Have a great day, guys. I'm out.